Hey, what's up, you guys? It is me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
So, you guys, I have a really dope video for you today. Today is June 18th. And I'm actually filming this video early because I have been invited to the Secret Scent Sisters Soirée. I think that's the title. Y'all will see the official title when you click on this video, but I think it's the Secret Scent Sister Soirée or the Scent Sister Secret Soirée or something like that, okay? But I have been invited by our favorite girls, Vania McKell and Miss Loso Natural here on YouTube. I got their pictures up right here for you guys. If you guys are not following them, do me a quick favor, pause this video, go and follow each one of my sisters, and come right back to the video. Like, come back. I'll wait. Okay, hey girl. See, that was quick and easy and it was free. So today, you guys, we, as you can probably guess, all right, we are doing like a Secret Santa, but it's in June, all right? So I know who I got, right? I know who I got. I'm not sure if I can say who I got, but y'all, my scent sister was Miss Plain Jane. Okay, I love her so much. I love her content. I love watching her. I love the fact that she is so down to earth. Like, she's just so chill. She don't be trying to do too much, and her videos are always dope. Like, I love her content. I love her personality and all of that. Like, I love chill people, and she just seems like very chill. Now, I don't personally know her, so I'm gonna just spill the beans. That's who I had, y'all. Go and check out her video because I gifted her something. By the time she sees this video, like, the surprise has already been done. Like, the cat was already out the bag. She already knows that I was her Secret Scent sister and she was my Secret Scent sister. That's what happened last year for the Christmas one as well. I had Loso Natural and she had me. So I think that is so cute. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna get right into the package because we got a package and I'm super excited. Before we get into the box, I do want to mention that my good sis, Miss Plain Jane, she also gifted me a $25 gift card to Pretty Girl. I think it's called Pretty Girl. And then it's like a Black-owned business. And she also gifted me a $25 gift card to Jazara's. Now, is it Jazara's Boutique? I think. I'm gonna go in here and fix it. If I said the names wrong, I'm gonna put them up at the top. But I was so excited that for that gift, because like, if that was all she got me, that would have been enough, because those are two companies that I really wanted to try and I just haven't pulled the plug, and she got me 2 gift cards from them. So now we're gonna get into this box because I'm excited to see what is in here. So first, let me try and like pry this open, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what we got in our good old box. Okay, here we go. We got our box. It is open. I can show you guys like this because I ripped the, oh my gosh, presentation. How come every time I open somebody's box, I be like, did I do enough? Because when I open these boxes, like, the presentation girl got the confetti. My good sis has the confetti, okay? Listen, I love it. And my kids are probably gonna love it even more than me. So, first we have a little card, and this is so cute. I love cards. I keep my cards. You guys remember that Lauren, I had Lauren last time. I told you guys I was gonna keep it. I keep cards, no lie. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. My wish for you: smiles in your day, love in your world, happiness in your heart. First of all, another gift card to Cheesecake Factory. I love this already because your girl loves to eat, okay? I absolutely do love to eat, okay? Wait, should I read this out loud? Let me see. Hope you enjoy the contents of this box. Be sure to check your email for the rest. Okay, so yeah, she just basically was telling me to check my email, which I did, girl, and I got it. And then it says today and every day. I love this card. I am 110,000% putting it right up top here. The card is secure. We're keeping that forever, okay? I love cards. They're so cute and so thoughtful and like beautiful. So we got our little confettis. I have a little bag right here, so I'm gonna just throw this confetti in the bag because if I don't, I'm gonna make a mess. All right. Oh, I got another card, but she specifically said it's not for YouTube. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. This box right here looks like it was made for me. Girl, please, I feel like you know me. First of all, I don't know how she knew this particular brand. This is my jam. Sour strips? This is my jam. I actually love this brand. I get them from Target all the time. So I did mention, like, we all had questionnaires, and I did mention that I love sour candies. My kids love sour candies. Vicky for the win. Girl, this is actually my favorite brand. I love this. Like, no lie. This is good enough for me, okay? I love that. So the next item, we're gonna go in this one. Aww. Oh my gosh. So I got My Way by Giorgio Armani. Oh my goodness, I kind of like, I already know what it smells like, but I kind of want to go and smell it again. Oh, Vicky. I love this. Let me let y'all know something. I love gifts, but I love giving gifts more. But this is such a thoughtful gift right here. Like, she definitely captured kind of everything that I really wanted. So I'm very excited about that. And then the next one is Ralph Lauren Romance. I don't know if it'll... Oh my gosh, I've been eyeballing this particular perfume for a very long time, actually. So this is the Intense. My best friend, so I wanted the original, and then my best friend was like, no, try the Intense. Girl, I went to Sephora and I tried the Intense. First of all, my best friend is 1,000% a frag head. I don't like that term. A perfume girly, just like me. I actually got my love for perfumes from her, for real, because I met her in college, and we dormed together, and I used to steal her perfume all the time. And then we became besties. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. This one is more floral. It's giving My Way. It kind of is giving the same as My Way, but it smells more like womanly, okay? This smells more rich to me. Oof, I love that. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you so much. And then I'm very excited about this. Our last present in here. My kids are gonna love this, y'all. They're gonna love the bubble wrap, but I'm gonna love this. I wanted this so bad. So this is the Hemp's Vanilla Luxe Herbal Body Moisturizer. I have wanted to try this for ever since I saw it. Like, ever since I saw that they released this. Now, wait a minute, how am I supposed to open this? I have been wanting to try this. Oh, how do I open it? I feel like a kid in a candy store. Like, I'm very excited about this. All right, sorry, y'all. I had a bit of an emergency. But I was telling you guys about my last and final gift. And wait a minute, when I say last and final, I don't want it to sound like the last thing. No. Because when I tell y'all, it's so funny because even though I knew I was a part of this, you know, when you don't expect things, like I love gifts, and it doesn't matter the magnitude of a gift. It's always a big thing for me. Like gift giving, it could be, when I tell you guys, the only thing that had to be in this box was this. And I would have been ecstatic because it's something that I like. Like it's a gift that's geared towards what I like. And I love that. And then to check my email and see gift cards to places that I really wanted to try. Like I love that. BTW, I have some things on the way. Like the moment I saw the gift cards, I used them. So Vicky, just know that those gift cards, they're not going to waste, girl. They are gone, okay? I have already ordered my stuff. It is being delivered. Well, not yet, but it will be here in the next few days. So I'm very excited. Thank you so very much. But anyways, y'all, so I am very excited about this because I've wanted to try this for a very long time. I want to say this is new, but oh, excuse me, allergies got my throat acting crazy. But yeah, you guys, I want to say this is new, but then again, I'm always late to something. So girl, I don't know if this is new, but it was new to me. Okay, so let me explain to y'all what this smells like. So I thought that this was it smells like lotion. Okay, let me just start off right there. It smells like lotion, but I love me some Hemp's, and I'm like low-key collecting Hemp's, I think. Hemp's lotions. It's like a pretty soft vanilla, but I wanted it because it said that it had niacinamide in it. And niacinamide is really good for the skin. It helps to give your skin like an even tone. But then it said that it was vanilla. So like, who wouldn't want it? And to me, this smells like a really, really soft, warm vanilla sugar. That's kind of like the scent that it's giving, but it also has like that lotion scent. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like lotion just has a smell. I know I probably sound crazy to some, but then there's another group of people that's probably going to understand it. Lotion has a scent. Like even if it's unscented lotion, like it just smells like a lotion. Those who get it, get it. Those who don't, I'm sorry, baby. Just go on ahead. This smells like a really nice warm vanilla. I love this because this is going to be perfect for the girlies that just like their skin to smell good. Like they don't necessarily want to smell like anything, but they just want their skin to smell good. This is one of those lotions. Your skin will just smell good. It kind of has like this warm, almost like toasty kind of scent to it. Almost like you put on a vanilla lotion and then you were standing out in the sun. And the scent was kind of like, just like your skin just smelled like good, sunny skin. If that makes any sense. Oh, I love this actually. Y'all, I really, really, really enjoyed this. I love my gifts. Like, I didn't drop my little perfumes and everything. But you guys, I got everything that I actually wanted. Like, she literally got me everything that I wanted. I got the My Way. I got the Ralph Lauren Intense, okay? Y'all try this out. Romance Intense is crazy good. I got my sour candies. I got my Jazara's Couture. That's what it's called. Jazara's Couture, not Jazara's Boutique. Girl, you renting out Jazara's Boutique now? I got Jazara's Couture. I got Pretty Girl. Like, I got Cheesecake Factory. Hello, I got Cheesecake Factory. Like, talk about being excited. I am excited and I am very grateful for this. Thank you so much, Vicky, for this wonderful gift. I really hope that you could tell how much I truly do appreciate this gift and how much I actually really love this gift. Like, I love this gift. No lie. I also would love to say thank you to Lauren and Vania for thinking of me again. Thank you for inviting me to be a part of yet another Secret Sense Sister event. Okay, I am so grateful. I am absolutely so grateful. I love the community that we're building, and I love that you guys are not looking at like numbers. Like, it's not like, oh, if you have a big following, then you could be a part of it. If you have a small following, sorry, sit this one out until you like. I thank you for being so inclusive and including someone like me, which I think I'm probably the mommy of the group. I feel like I'm the oldest one in this little group. I don't know who all is invited into this particular one. I don't know who all was a part of it, but I kind of feel like I'm probably the oldest one in the whole group. Hey. Anyways, you guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I did opening it. I can't wait to dive in. Actually, I just took a shower, so I feel like, oh, BTW, y'all like my skin? So this is all shout out, all thanks to Stephanie's Touch Natural Skin Creations. That's why I came on here and I had to wear a little strapless piece so that you guys can really get a good glimpse of that even beautiful melanated goodness. I have my Mama's Butter, and that is the name of it, Mama's Butter. And it is actually, this is like, I'm not supposed to be advertising myself. I'm not. Okay. Anyways, you guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Drop your comments down below. Smash the subscribe button. And while you're at it, click that notification bell. That way you never miss another video from me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell. I will see y'all in another one. And don't forget to check out my other sisters' videos because you're going to want to see what I got. Miss Plain Jane, okay? Miss Vicky, you're going to want to see what I got her. Because I feel like she might really enjoy it. I don't know. I hope so. But I feel like she gonna like it. And check out all the rest of my girlies. You'll know who we are by the title of our videos. Just search Secret Sin Sister Soirée. It'll be hashtagged in all of our videos. We will all be grouped together. And if I'm not mistaken, they're gonna make a playlist, but I might be making that up, so don't hold me to the T. But anyways, you guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.